2019 Land Rover Discovery 3 litre HSE. But there's some key things about this car. One, just from the outside, if you look at it, you can look at it and see it doesn't look standard, and it's not. It's got a full R-Dynamic Bodystyling, which has transformed the look of the car. It fills the arches, you get the extra kit on the car. 22-inch wheels. They're a massive option, £3,000 option from factory. So it's not a, you know, you tend to find sometimes people will put aftermarket bigger wheels on cars. They're from factory. For me, they're one of the best 22-inch that Land Rover have produced, and every now and then I'll get the odd Discovery with them wheels on. The fantastic. Fixed side steps, sun protection privacy glass, black styling pack, sliding panoramic sunroof. It's got 2 roofs as well. One former keeper, just over 20,000 miles, 54,990. Now I mentioned about the styling. The grille, for example, looks superb, the badging. And then you get these big inserts, the extra sections along the front bumper, which just make it sit and look bigger on the road and more chunkier. All around the arches are colour-coded. The inserts on the wings. And it's a HSE as well, so you get, I'll show you inside, heated leather, reversing camera, memory seat, upgrade sound system, all the other things. Electric seats all the way through in the 3rd row and the 2nd row. It's just a great looking car, and you see as we move around the back bumper, with it having that extra style, and you get the extra section built out the back bumper, and it does look lovely. SD6 engine, 3 litre. Inside, you've then got all the HSE specs. So if you look on the door card, we've got memory seats, we've got the Meridian sound system. It's all keyless. We've got a piano black wood finish inside, which for me, against the outside of the car, that is the correct colour. And then you've got this lovely, can you see the piped leather, which is a more of an exclusive leather, with it being a HSE. Into on here as well, there's other things I've just noticed. This car's got adaptive cruise control, which is quite rare. So on here you've got them extra 2 arrows there, so the car's got adaptive. On the dash, just going to point out some of the features on the car. So we've got reversing camera, we've got all the touchscreen media, which is all your touchscreen navigation, and then in control apps. Your seat, if we go into seat here, I'm just going to show you. Obviously you've got heated seats, driver and passenger, all the different driving modes. You can adjust the suspension. The sunroof, now this is a very important one, because a HSE standard comes with a fixed glass sunroof. This car's got the glass sunroof, but it's sliding. So you press the button and it opens. That is a key extra. People don't. A fixed glass roof's about £1,000. Sliding pan roof's about another 800. So they've paid for the sliding roof from factory. And then Discoveries in general, they're so popular because they've got bags of space. In the back here, you've got that lovely quilted leather. This is all heated as well, so it's got rear heated seats. And then you've got all the adjustable electric seats. And then the extra 2 seats in the back there as well, which have got all the Isofix and everything if you've got a family. And you can see there you've got the other glass roof, which is in the back, which adds to the luxury element for the back passengers. You've got extra charging points all the way through the car, which is an optional extra, so you've got the sockets in the back as well. Electric tailgate, standard on a HSE, but people love an electric tailgate. And then if I just show you these buttons here, so you can drop all the seats all electronically, so then it can all be done from here. So you can drop these 2 seats, or so you can have the load all the way down if you just need the big boot space. This car, with it being in 19, still under warranty with Land Rover till next year. But it's the key things with this car. So it's a HSE anyway, so it's great spec. But it's finding them what look like that. So it's got that extra styling, so it looks superb. It's got the 22s, it's got the sliding sunroof, it's black, it's got a black pack, it's got really, really good extras. It's going live on the website now, £54,990. Give us a call.